Introduction. Forest is a natural habitat for many different kinds of plants and animals. Forests provide food and shelter for animals. Some common animals found in a forest are lion, tiger, elephant, monkey, deer, zebra, jackal, bison, boar, snake, porcupine, crocodile, etc. Some common plants found in forests are teak, bamboo, sal, sesam, simal, neem, palash, khair, amla, kachnar, etc. Besides these, forests also have several kinds of shrubs, herbs and grasses, clambers, creepers, etc. Characteristics of trees in forests. A typical tree forest is composed of two distinct layers, that is, overstory or canopy and understory. The lower layer of the forest is called understory. It is composed of herbs and shrubs. The understory is a different world in itself. The understory may not get proper sunlight in dense forests. A tree can be divided into two parts, trunk and branches. The branches of a tree make its crown. Crowns of several trees in the forest make the canopy. In dense forests, the canopy looks like the roof of the forest. There are many animals and creatures which live only on the canopy. For example, monkeys. Crowns of trees come in various shapes. Some common examples are shown in the given figure. Fountain, layered, weeping, spreading, full-crowned, vase, pyramidal. Forest as a system. Forest is a self-sustaining system. Every part of forest is dependent on one another. Look one of the example of food chain. The green plants prepare food, autotroph. The herbivores directly take food from the green plants. The carnivores take food from the herbivores. This makes a food chain. Many food chains are found in forests. All food chains are linked. If one food chain is affected, others are also affected. When an animal or a plant dies, its dead remains not in due course of time and turn into soil-like thing. The process is called decomposition, and microorganisms carry out this process are known as decomposers. The soil-like thing made after decomposition is called humus. It makes the soil highly fertile. The topsoil of forest is fertile because of presence of humus. deforestation and its effects. If a forest disappears, the amount of carbon dioxide in air will increase, resulting in the increase of Earth's temperature. In the absence of trees and plants, the animals will not get food and shelter. In the absence of trees, the soil will not hold water, which will cause floods. Deforestation will endanger our life and environment. Think what we can do to preserve our forest.